Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Omar here for our very first Code Rookie tutorial video. For this video, I thought I'd just start out with the very basic of basics of the basic. We're just gonna do the standard, how to type up a standard HTML document. What this lets you do is just simply start making websites. Basically, it is what you need to make websites. Pretty much everyone does this when they first start out. So so go ahead and open up your text editor. I'm using Atom. You can use whatever you have on your computer already. If you don't have a text editor, I'll just put a link in the description of how to download Atom, and yeah, that'll pretty much take care of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and begin. So first things first, just go ahead and open up your Atom, and you have an untitled page right here. If you don't, just do File, New Window, and you'll end up with a brand new page just like this. So first things first, you're gonna go to File, Save As, because you are gonna save this somewhere on your computer. Depends where you want to save it. I'm gonna have a separate folder just for this channel. And the standard file name for HTML files is index.html. The most important part is the .html. If you don't have that, then your browsers, such as like Firefox, Chrome, Explorer, Safari, won't be able to read it as a website document. You can name it really whatever you want in terms of the index part. This is just like the standard, so let's keep it like this, save. All right. So first things first is you're going to do an open caret thing, bracket thing. I'm not sure actually what that's called, a greater than, less than sign. And then you do exclamation mark, all capital, doc type, doc type, HTML, close that. And right underneath that, same thing, less than, greater than sign, HTML, close that. And then you have the backslash HTML. And again, I'm not going to go through why and the theory behind it in this channel. I'm just showing you how to do it straight up so you can just follow along. And then let's see, then we'll have head. Head. Close the head right there. I kind of like to make sure everything's nice and even here. As you can see, when you press enter, it tabs by itself. So just keep that tab going. It just makes it neater and easier to read. Inside your head, you're going to have title. And let's keep that on the same line. Because inside your title, you have pretty much the title of your site. So let's call this the basic HTML template. This is what you'll see usually. Let me go to a site here as an example. This is what you see on the top of your tabs. This is what they put into that title section. So name it whatever you want, as long as it's clear. All right, and then right underneath that, the head, press tab, and you have body. And then it does tab for you every time you press enter. So just kind of backspace that, because you do want that to, all these need to match up. Just again, I mean, it doesn't have to match up. It's just better to do it that way. You can kind of see the difference. You can see where everything starts and ends. And yeah, and actually, to be honest, that's it. That's all you need to do for the basic HTML template. And you can start typing away whatever you want your website to say. And then always save every time, Control S, or you can do the whole file save thing. And yeah, now you can view how it looks like on your site. So let's go ahead and see how this looks. To do that, let's see. Let's go on to Chrome. Ignore that. File. Actually, I've never done it this way. So that's why I'm kind of weirded out right now. I always do it this way. Just go to your folders. Find where you saved that. So save it. Okay. And then over here, just right click, open with whichever you want to use. Let's use Chrome. And boom, Gobbledygook is right there on the page. And voila, you have created a website. A very boring, lame website. But everything starts boring and lame before you can make it nice and amazing. And that's it. That's all you have to do to make your basic template for any website that you're about to make. It's the HTML template. Now, the shortcut, if you do have Atom, is you type in HTML. And I'm sure you've noticed that up until now, these little letters have been popping up. If you press Tab, it auto completes it for you. So if you just press Tab here, boom, exactly what we have except for this line 4, which you don't really need. It's just one of those things that is put in there just in case. But yeah, that's it. So too long didn't listen, HTML, tab it over. I'll put that in the description as well, just in case you're angry about having to sit through all that. Yeah, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the first video. I'm pretty new at this, so I'm kind of stumbling and mumbling my way around this, but it will get better as time goes on. All right, thanks. Bye.